Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to terminate a running process on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer using the Task Manager. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Earlier versions of Windows 11 for some reason did not have that option in the right-click context menu, so you may have to right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager from there. But once you are in Task Manager here, you can just select whichever process you want to terminate and then select the End Task button. Alternatively, you can also right-click on the process and just select End Task. And then there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process to do that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.